Why are we doing this rally today? Yes.
This rally is a way of taking a message to the common person on the street.
What is the cost of one vote in Assam?
Actually, I don't even would treat that as a question.
So what's more important, loyalty to the party or loyalty to the citizens?
I find that music is a very powerful way to communicate ideas, ideas that we can't even communicate properly in a political speech.
It's the time of elections and all, and you're coming to the streets and you're meeting people. But once you get elected or once one comes into power, do you think the same accessibility would be maintained between a normal citizen and a leader?
That's a very good question.
Right now, the only movie that's playing on everyone's mind is Dibrugarh's movie, Roi Roi Binale. That's the last movie he shot before he passed away.
So according to you, what would be the best output of this rally today?